Welcome back, classic car lovers. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 1977 Cadillac Seville, a car that redefined American luxury during the fuel crisis. Was it a true Cadillac, or just a dressed-up Nova? Let's find out as we check out its exterior, interior, performance, and see if it still holds up today. Exterior. Cut to a close-up of the Seville's front grille as the host walks around the car. Asterisk. The 1977 Cadillac Seville was Cadillac's answer to rising fuel prices and the demand for smaller luxury cars. But don't let its compact label fool you, this was still a premium machine. The design was clean and sharp, with a formal roofline that gave it an elegant yet understated presence. Up front, you've got that classic Cadillac grille with vertical bars and a stand-up hood ornament, pure 70s luxury. Out back, slim vertical taillights and a crisp trunk line set it apart from the massive land yachts of the time. At 203 inches long, it was smaller than a DeVille but still substantial. This wasn't a flashy car, but it had class and sophistication, perfect for executives who wanted luxury without excess. Cut to the host opening the driver's door and sliding inside. Interior. Step inside, and the Seville proves it's every bit a Cadillac. Plush leather seats, real wood trim, and thick carpeting show that no corners were cut. The dashboard is clean and symmetrical, with analog gauges and a classic steering wheel. You got power windows, AC, an AM/FM stereo, and even an optional digital trip computer, a big deal in 1977. Rear legroom is tighter than in bigger Caddies, but the driver-focused cabin feels cozy and premium. This was a luxury sedan first, compact car second. Cut to under the hood, where the host points out the engine. Asterisk. Performance. Now, let's talk power. The Seville wasn't a muscle car, but it wasn't slow either. Under the hood, you've got a 5.7L Oldsmobile V8. Yes, not a Cadillac engine, making 180 horsepower. It's paired with a 3-speed automatic, so it's smooth but not sporty. Fuel economy was around 14 to 17 mpg, better than a Fleetwood but still thirsty by today's standards. The ride quality. Soft, floaty, and quiet, pure Cadillac comfort. This car wasn't built for speed but for effortless cruising. Cut to the host standing beside the car, summarizing. Asterisk. So, was the 1977 Cadillac Seville a success? Absolutely. It was luxurious, well-built, and more efficient than bigger Caddies. Sure, it wasn't a performance car, and purists missed the classic Cadillac V8, but it proved Americans would buy a smaller luxury car, paving the way for future models. Today, it's a collector's gem, especially in pristine condition. Final verdict. A stylish, comfortable cruiser that bridged the gap between old-school luxury and modern downsizing. What do you think? Would you drive a 77 Seville? Let me know in the comments. Cut to the host waving as the camera pulls back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car reviews. See you next time. Music fades out as the screen goes to black. Asterisk.